The plan is simple. I'm crafting all 893 Pokemon. The order is random and viewer requested, and I'm creating with paper. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Amy's Art House. Today I am making Marshadow. Marshadow was suggested by Kaylee. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce your name. Thank you so much for watching. Her and I were chatting about using vellum paper, which is kind of like it's like tissue paper. It's see-through, but it's also very straight and not crinkled. And so we were talking about which Pokemon might be nice to do with vellum, and she mentioned Marshadow. So I am making a Marshadow today. I have to say, I don't think I'm super great with vellum. I don't love this one. I don't feel like it turned out amazing, but it helped me learn what I'm doing with vellum a little bit more, so that's always good. So we are wrapping up our holiday October Halloween themed season. We will be doing Marshadow today, and then there will be a Zubat and a Spinarak coming before I get into the rock types for November, with the thought being that we have to harden ourselves for winter. So November will be rock types, and then December will be ice types. And I recently found out that the Pokemon Company actually does themed months, like on their Instagram. But the themes they pick don't seem to really fit with the seasons. I think they did like electric type for October, which I don't know, maybe that's the month they designed something. I don't know, it's weird. It doesn't make sense to me. I don't know why they wouldn't pick ghost type or dark type because of Halloween. I think Halloween is pretty big in Japan now too. I mean, obviously it's different than in North America, but yeah, I don't know. So now I am cutting out the eyes. I still haven't gotten to the vellum part. I'm going to use the vellum to make it look like there's shadows around him. But his body I made with all solid papers. I was thinking with Halloween coming up, I thought maybe I should dress up somehow, but I don't really have any ideas and I'm not going anywhere. I do have pink hair dye, and that's kind of speaking to me. Maybe I should change my hair for Halloween, but I don't know. I'm kind of feeling a little sick, so maybe when I'm feeling a little better, I can do that. So this is for his little like collar. It's like a cloud shaped, and I just outlined it so that it would stand out a little better. So when I was looking at reference pictures of Marshadow, it looks like in the shows or the movies, he kind of like comes out of a shadow in the ground. So I was trying to recreate that by making this like black round hole. I think I got the shape a little wrong, but that's okay. So yeah, I have him coming out of the ground, and then to make it look kind of like a gradient, I use the vellum and alternating gray and black papers, and yeah, I don't know. It's not so bad. I definitely need more vellum practice though. If there are any rock type Pokemon that you would like to see in November, please let me know in the comments, and most of the time I do the requests. Yeah, sometimes I get in my own element and I make a lot of stuff that I really like, but yeah, today I made an Aron and a Lunatone, so those will be coming soon. And those were super quick because they're very round, so it took me like 20 minutes a piece on those. So now I am sticking down his first layer of shadow, and then I'm making a second layer with black paper, just so it looks like it's radiating out. And finally another bit of vellum. And I put my background paper on right away so that I could see how the vellum looks and how the orange comes through it, and if I liked it. And now we're down to the final assembly, gluing, taping all the pieces together. I had this really cute washi tape with little candies that I thought would be really cute for Halloween, so I used those, as well as some yellow washi tape. And finally, just have to put Marshadow down on the page. Thank you guys so much for watching, I really appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you again soon.